Imagine a company that sells billions of products worldwide without owning any of them. Sounds like a fantasy? In reality, that's exactly what eBay has done. One of the most successful online platforms that revolutionized the world of commerce and opened new opportunities for businesses and individual sellers. Today, we're going to break down how eBay built an empire by selling billions of products and what led to the challenges the company faces today. The story of eBay begins in 1995, when programmer Piero Migliar created a website called Auction Web. On this site, users could list their items for auction and sell them to other users. The idea was simple: connect buyers and sellers on a single platform where everyone could find what they needed. The first item ever sold on the platform was a broken laser pointer, clearly illustrating the core idea. On eBay, almost anything can be sold, and someone will always find a buyer for it. Unlike traditional stores, eBay didn't buy or store any products. The platform acted as an intermediary between sellers and buyers, providing a convenient interface for transactions. This was the revolutionary aspect. By eliminating the need for large warehouses and inventory, eBay's business model became incredibly flexible and scalable. The platform could grow rapidly without massive infrastructure investments. The site quickly became so popular that Piero Migliar decided to rename it eBay. The name was derived from his consulting company, eBay Technology Group. At the time, this seemed like a minor decision, but it ultimately became a key milestone in the development of the brand. In 1997, the company went public with an IPO, initial public offering, which allowed it to become publicly traded. This event was a turning point in eBay's history. The importance of the IPO cannot be overstated, as it allowed the company to raise millions of dollars in investment. eBay's IPO became one of the largest tech offerings at the time, demonstrating massive investor interest and confidence in the company's future. Back then, internet businesses were not yet taken seriously, but eBay proved its viability and potential for significant growth. Before the IPO, the company faced several important challenges. One of the main tasks was to convince investors that eBay's business model, based on peer-to-peer transactions, could succeed long-term. The company also needed to demonstrate that it was prepared for a rapid increase in users and transaction volume. They began investing heavily in improving infrastructure and scaling the platform to handle the expected surge in activity. As a result, the IPO raised around $63 million, providing the necessary capital for the company's growth. These funds were directed toward platform development, allowing eBay to add new product categories, enhance the user interface, and make the platform more scalable. eBay expanded its tools to improve the buying and selling experience, including the introduction of a ratings and reviews system, which became a key part of the company's business model. This rating system was a groundbreaking feature. Users could see sellers' reputations, which significantly increased trust in the platform. This trust was crucial in attracting people who had previously been hesitant about online shopping. Additionally, eBay was one of the first companies to offer buyers and sellers tools to safeguard transactions. Guarantees were introduced to protect both buyers and sellers from fraud and delivery issues. These measures significantly boosted user confidence in the platform and contributed to its growth. By the early 2000s, eBay had evolved into a true e-commerce empire. The platform not only expanded the range of product categories, but also dramatically increased its global reach, launching localized versions of the site in various countries. This allowed eBay to become a global marketplace where goods could be bought and sold across international borders. The growth of eBay's popularity was remarkable. Users appreciated the flexibility of the platform. Anyone could become a seller and quickly find buyers. This caught the attention of major retailers who began opening their own stores on the platform. This was a real breakthrough. Large companies realized that eBay gave them access to a huge audience and the ability to sell directly to consumers without needing to build their own online infrastructure. This led to eBay transforming from just an auction platform into a fully fledged marketplace, where both private sellers and professional companies could coexist. Soon, eBay offered everything, from rare collectibles and unique handmade goods to everyday mass-produced items. This diversification in product offerings attracted millions of new users since everyone could find something of interest. One of the biggest draws for both sellers and buyers was the ability to interact directly without intermediaries, offering flexibility in how items were sold. Private sellers could list their items for auction or sell them at a fixed price, depending on their sales strategy. This diversity of sales options made the platform even more attractive and flexible for different types of users. Additionally, eBay's popularity grew due to its unique community of buyers and sellers who supported each other through ratings, reviews, and feedback systems. Over time, eBay became not just a place to make transactions, but a space where users could share experiences, creating an active community. During this period, the company also embraced new technologies and adapted to the changing market conditions. One of the key developments was the introduction of mobile apps, allowing users to bid and manage their sales via smartphones. This greatly increased user engagement and expanded eBay's audience by attracting mobile users. However, despite its success, eBay did not always have a smooth ride. As competition from giants like Amazon grew, eBay had to adapt to new market realities. Amazon offered a more traditional e-commerce approach with fast shipping, fixed prices, and a vast product selection. While eBay continued to focus on auctions, Amazon was winning over the market with the convenience and predictability of its purchases. This forced eBay to make a difficult decision: continue as an auction platform or transform into a more traditional marketplace. The company began experimenting with fixed-price listings, but auctions remained at the core of its model. However, it became increasingly clear that this strategy would not sustain the same growth rates as its competitors. By the early 2010s, eBay faced several challenges: increasing competition, shifts in consumer preferences, and the difficulty of adapting to new technologies put the company in a position where transformation was necessary. Management decided to focus on improving the user experience and expanding its payment system. PayPal, which had by then become one of the largest players in online payments. PayPal became a crucial asset for eBay, contributing significantly to the company's revenue. However, in 2015, the decision was made to spin off PayPal into a separate company, allowing both entities to grow independently. This decision sparked controversy, as PayPal had been a vital part of eBay's ecosystem, but executives believed it would benefit both companies. In the short term, PayPal thrived, but for eBay, it marked the beginning of a new era where the company had to rediscover its place in the market. Today, eBay continues to operate and serve millions of users around the world, but its business model has evolved significantly from what made it successful in the 90s and early 2000s. The company shifted its focus to fixed-price sales and direct transactions, trying to compete with giants like Amazon and Alibaba. However, one of eBay's major challenges lies in its logistics capabilities. While Amazon offers fast shipping through its vast warehouse network and delivery system, eBay still relies on sellers to fulfill orders, which can significantly slow down the process. Moreover, eBay faces issues related to product quality and seller reputation. Despite having a rating system, buyers cannot always be sure they will receive high-quality products or that deliveries will go smoothly. This creates certain risks and drives away potential customers who prefer more reliable and predictable platforms. In response to these challenges, eBay has taken steps to improve its services. The company introduced buyer protection policies that guarantee refunds in case of product issues. Additionally, eBay is actively developing reward programs for sellers, offering benefits for high-quality service. However, these efforts may not be enough to regain the company's former glory. In recent years, eBay has also tried to align itself with sustainability efforts, focusing on eco-friendly practices and supporting small businesses. The company promotes the idea of the circular economy, encouraging users to buy and sell second-hand goods. This not only helps users save money, but also supports the growing trend of sustainable consumption. However, competition from specialized platforms like Depop and Poshmark makes it challenging for eBay to maintain leadership even in this niche. As a result, eBay finds itself at a crossroads. On one hand, its model of selling billions of products without owning them remains relevant and effective. On the other hand, Competition and shifting consumer preferences force the company to explore new development paths. Will eBay continue to play a key role in the future of e-commerce, or will it lose ground to newer players? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we continue to explore the strategies of the world's biggest companies and learn from their successes and failures.